Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. You're my guests today as I'm showing you around my home. Yeah, my beautiful home. So this is the front. Yeah, this is the so these are the beautiful flowers. We have a lot of rosemary. That is rosemary. I think guys you know it. Oops. The big flowers. See, these are also the beautiful flowers we have here. Obviously I cannot forget to show you the sugar canes, how tall they are. Oh wow, this is so good. So I had shown you the upper part, so all these are sugar canes. Woo. Feel the breeze of being home. I want to show you everything, guys. So look at that. Give it like 2 months. They're going to be enjoying it. Lots of sugar canes, banana plantation. This is like a small garden, like a home garden. The English. Woo. So, oh, we have another one, another banana. Yeesh. Give that one, give it like 5 months. Those are too many. So, do you know the small bananas? Oh my goodness. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. Guys, I wasn't seeing this, but this is so cool. My mom has really done a very good job. This is a mango tree, but then it is, I don't know what happened to this mango tree because it never bears fruits. Oh, another avocado tree. Look at them. Wow. Oh my gosh. Look at them. So, this is the mango tree I was talking about. It never bears fruits. I don't know what happened to it. Look at it. It has never bared any fruits. I don't know what happened to that mango tree. Anyway, we also have cassava in our garden. Our beautiful garden. Lots and lots of guava trees. We love fruits. So this is a guava tree. If you don't know how it looks like, look at that. It is still young, but give it some time, it will bear beautiful fruits. Lots and lots of matokes. Lots of them. So in short, this is the garden. The young maize. I'm touring you guys through everything that we have in our garden. You see the home fruits. These are avocados. Is the word called avocado or avocado? Whatever. So I'm touring you around. This is behind. You see the view of the hills. Let me adjust this camera so that you can get the clear view. This is an avocado tree. Let's go. So this is the fence. We use like these things to fence. I don't know them in English. They're like those other. So here is our small. We have a quite big garden actually, but this is the lower part. This These are some plants. If you know, this is called dodo. I want to show you guavas. Guavas. This is a guava tree. I don't know if they're even there. Are they there even? This is so scary. So I don't see any guava. So, oh my goodness. So this is a strawberry. Yes? They are still young. Actually, we used to enjoy these things when we are so. I think you can see those ones. Oh, those ones, but they're still young, even there. I can't get anything to eat from these strawberries. Anyway, these are purples. They are not there. Anyway, that's our compound. We had a very big compound, but then they had to reduce it. So you see, our home is surrounded by nature. That is our beautiful home. Yeah. I think I will need to show you this view from here. Yes? Those are neighbors down there, neighbors up there. I see some passion fruits. Those are passion fruits. So, I was looking for cabbage. There are very many. Actually, oh, this one is grown. How do they check for the cabbage that is grown? Yes? This one is too young. We had this, actually guys, this was an avocado tree. It really had nice like avocado fruits, but then I found when they cut it, this is the purple greens. We put them in like ginat sauce. So let me go back this side. Rate my village bonnet. Woo! Although the hairstyle is still there with no makeup, but I'm going to design myself after. You know me, guys, I have to glam. So this is a thing for chicken. We have some chicken in here, so many of them, but people bought them because it was Christmas. They bought the chickens and stuff like that, so we made some money this festive season. My mom made some money this festive season. So that is the view. So this is where we have a fence here, so when I'm here I can have this clear view. And the outfit is this. I love my dress, the color, but this is my mom's dress. So, whoosh. I'm rocking in my mom's outfit. So guys, this is like the view I have from here. I'm in the garden, so nothing to fear here. So I've toured you along in our beautiful garden. So I was picking some banana leaves because I'm going to prepare matoke. We're going to eat a very delicious meal today. And I'm the chef. Matoke with some fish, and then rice, karo, if you know karo, that's like millet flour. Really, is it millet flour? Anyways, that is all I could show you guys. I hope you liked the video. You're feeling the breeze, the nature, like me. I'm loving home. Within a few days, actually, I'll be back to Kampala for studies, to resume my studies. I have some exams. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Oh, there is another guava. Like, oh my goodness. This is so cool with my other outfits in the garden. So, thank you guys for watching the video. Make sure you subscribe, like, share, comment. Tell me what you think about this video. Do you know that I'm under a banana? This shade is for a banana. This is so good. And it has like this thing where you can make a video and then you... Let me try it and see. This is absolutely great. So guys, be there. Oh my goodness, it has gone. So I was saying, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let us grow. I wish you a happy 2023. Enjoy the year, and I hope it is going to be a very good year for me and you guys as well. Love you. I want to pick this sugar cane from this thing, but oh my goodness, I forgot the knife. I'll come back for it. I have to come back for this sugar cane. Look how tall it is. Ooh, I have to come back for it.